What's up, guys? It's Jeffrey Benz right here. So today I just want to show you guys what I'm currently on. GBP USD. It's currently Tuesday morning because it's still 11:44 right now, and it's Tuesday. Yeah, you can check it out right there. Tuesday, 27th of April. So here on my screen, I already sent this analysis out to my group. So price is currently at 1.39084. Yeah, so it's still fluctuating around out my box. So this is the box where I want it to drop. So I already have one position in. So just in case I'm wrong, then it can flush me out at this point where my stop loss is. Then I'm fine. But however, I'm not getting in not until I start seeing candles, weak rejections, multiple weak rejections to come to the downside, because I'm expecting price to drop. Just as you can see, here is a very good zone to short. Watch candlesticks action at that point. So that's what I'm watching out for. And you can also see right here on my Telegram, I sent out this thing. I'm editing a video. Actually, it was an outing I went to. I'm editing a video right there so that's what you can see. So on my Telegram, I pull up stuff like this is my view on Telegram. If you're not on my Telegram channel yet, you better be here, because this is where the signals drop. So you can see just before that guy, this guy was still printing right here, and I was expecting price to get here before I showed, and we are currently there now. So just want you guys to know. So when I'm already loading it up, I'll keep you guys abreast with what I'm doing. All right, bye for now, guys, and peace. So guys, I'm currently at break even on this one, and you can see stop loss already moved in profit. I have a lot of orders at that top week stacked, so I'm expecting price to drop. So let me show you what I've got on my PC. On PC, I've got stuff like it's on MT4. This is still on MT4 on PC, but I don't want to show you MT4. I want to show you. I want to explain with the help of trading view. Trading view, come on. Yeah, this is my trading view. So I pull up this one. This was what I was using to explain before now. Yeah, I pull up this chart explaining that this is the zone where it's gonna reverse. So you can see what happened on that box. So what make me like be so, why did I go short at this point, like, or why did I have that place mapped out? That may just be the next question, because you can see trend line first coming from the higher time frame. You can see this trend line. Let me shrink. So basically we had a trend line at that top touching this peak here and this peak. So trend line, the idea of trend line is whenever there is a bounce next time, it's definitely going to respect. And trend line, we have average 3 touches on the traditional trend line, 3 touches. So we had one at the top already, the one that was there, and this is the second one, this is the third one. So this is definitely going to come far down. So but however, no matter how strong the strategy is, I always make sure I put my risk management into place. So that's why I see I was so cautious on this small account. So let me switch to a bigger account. When I mean bigger account, I'm trading for a proprietary firm. So trading for a proprietary firm, which is $100,000. So I didn't really stack much because today the markets are not really acting that right as much as I want them to. So I just had just points 5.5.5.25 like that. So on this one, I'm currently $585 in profit. So it's a funded account. So I'm starting out on this one. So I'm only up 588 today. So that's what I just want you guys to know. So the first try, I closed it out upon seeing this weak rejection at this point. So as you can see right there, I still have less like $328 I made on top of that. So your exit is as important as your sniper entries, right? You have to know when to exit, like whenever you see any kind of weak rejection right like this. So what we are waiting up for now, we are waiting for the second try. I have 2 plans every day. This is my plan A. So this failed, then this is plan B. So upon having this place, you're going to have something like M, one leg here, this is the here, and a bang to the downside. So that's what we should be anticipating. So I'm still looking to go short here again. I'm not entering here, not until I see candles price action here. When I mean price action, yeah, candle weak rejection, I want to shoot up from there and reject to the downside. That's what I'm waiting for. So yeah, and I'm also trading a small account too. Remember, on the small account, I close out on all of them. So let me switch to the small account so you guys can see. Here is it on the small account. This is an account of, come on, load up, man. It's now 550. Remember, it was 400 thereabout. So I was able to close a profit of $41 on this. So still watching. gonna be getting me on a new position very soon. Yeah, so what's up guys? It's currently very early in the morning, Wednesday. This is Wednesday, yeah, 28th of April. Yeah, so this was what I predicted yesterday. Price is gonna drop upward to this point. Alright, so it's still dropping, but I already hopped out at this point because I never want to keep trade overnight. So I hopped out somewhere around here. I am. So I'm waiting for price now to come to a reasonable zone, then I can short again because it's still dropping. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted. Bye for now. Hello, what's up guys? It's currently early in the morning. It's 9 and it's 29th of April. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys the analysis that I currently have. Let me shrink out. See this trend line, the bigger one is coming all the way from the top. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Moving to the 1 hour time frame, and I'm getting to the 1 hour time frame, so you can see this is the trend line. I have this first one right there, and this is the second touch right there. Remember what I told you guys about trend line? 3 touches. Upon the third one, it should bounce off. So this is the second, this is the third one. Yeah, so we're expecting price to drop off right there. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I look at my price actions on 15 minutes time frame, so just so you guys know. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, this is what I currently have. I have trade stacked there. I have opportunities stacked there, trying to come in. So it's a sniper entry. Hopefully if it works well, then that's going to be a lot of money for us and a lot of positions that we got there. Yeah, so the stop loss is there, so I'm always using stop loss. So the stop loss is at 0.39838. So I also send this signal to the group. I send it to the group, so you can see here on the group what I have. So we currently have 6,000 members. Then you can check the downside right there. Yeah, so patiently waiting for price action, then I'll react, which I've already reacted, and most people are also commenting. So people are commenting and they're taking actions too. They're not sleeping on it. Yeah, so that's it. Now it's currently 9, so that's just like about an hour later. So you can see price really moving well, tanking well, and we caught it right there at that snipe entry. So I already told you guys what I looked at for the trend line. I looked at the trend line, there's a psychological level there, which is 1.39500. Yeah, so you can see price is dropping there. So here are my entries here, like around here. Sorry, my phone is oily. Basically I trade from my Samsung. This is what I'm currently using to film. I don't like to trade on my iPhone. I actually prefer the Android user interface of MT4 than Android. It's more than iPhone. It's it's faster for me to place trade. So so fingers crossed. I'm going to be breaking even now, so that's why I'm filming. I want to break even to somewhere close to that 1.39500, which is somewhere here. So I want to be breaking even to this point. So breaking even simply means moving my stop loss. You can notice my stop loss is at the top right there because I don't trade with that stop. It's at the top right there. I'm moving that stop here, that stop. I'm moving it right somewhere here to break even. So even if the trade starts retracing to the upside, I'm not going to be losing anything. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do that off camera. So guys, my trades is still running. So I hate to keep traders over the night, but I just have to do it this time around because I'm a day trader. But look at this choppiness. Yeah, it's like yesterday was really choppy. So today is currently, yeah, Friday 30th. Yeah, so that's what we've got right there, and I hope it still keep moving down. And you can still see my new position stacked, a lot of position, new entries at this bottom right there. So all of them coming down. So I didn't really do something too risky. I just did 0.5, and it's a 100k account that I'm trading challenge. All right, so and I also have my own personal one. I'm also flipping. It's on Xness. I don't know, the spreads on this one is really wide this morning. Load up. It's trying to load up. Let me just focus here. It's loading up. So yeah, just loaded up. I'm calling about 369 right there. So my balance is 526, 890. It's currently 900 right now. So that's it. I'm hoping that it gets to, let's like, I was intending to flip this one to maybe 2005. Yeah, then I will try it and do something really tangible with it again. So that's it on this one. So my target is 1.3900 right there. This is my target. Yeah. So if price gets there, I believe it's good, is a deeper retracement enough for it to start heading to the upside, because this is a pure uptrend. Yeah. Well, just taking this scalp, guys. So this is the final lap, and I'm done already because it's so close. But I'm sure price will definitely want to hit this point, which is 1.39. So we are really close. So I already closed the bigger account. I don't know why I just closed out, because keeping trades overnight is not my thing. I kept that trade overnight, and it was just like taking up a security job. I can't sleep, like, for real. I couldn't sleep, and it's really telling my body, well, it's what it's at the end of the day. So this account from 5 is already doubled, so it's currently at $1,000. So I'm going to start closing. I will start closing that now. Let me switch to the other one, the funded account. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, guys. You guys don't want to know. I was not really. See, this one was about 3,000 when I showed you guys, bro. Before I finished closing, because my network was a little bit shit. Now it's just 299. That. So that's it. So let me go ahead and start closing out the other account that you guys are familiar with. So price is really pushing down. It's about that level, yeah. So once you get to 1.3900, I don't like to take profit, so I'm just gonna close that manually. I close them out manually, so it's already there. So let me go get started, close them out. Let me start closing out. Okay. Right, so this is a wrap of all of the trading. So I already closed it out because it didn't get to 1.3900 because the candles is just slightly weak. So upon that week, that's when I started closing out, because I saw it. So I just knew that there will be some. So it may get there later on, but I'm tired of waiting, so I just have to close out. So today I've been able to make this much, this 479 on this account. So this account was about, I flipped it from $78 to 400. Now from 400 to $1,000, which is what you are seeing right here. So if I take it like to the week, so you see the summary, like a week, let's see the amount. So you see I made a withdrawal of 307, which is the one I showed you guys, and I deposited totally of 551. Yeah, and the profit total is 761 for this week, what I've been able to make on this one. And I'm going to make the withdrawal right now.